Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a new day and a new vlog. Welcome back to my vlog. So it is morning and I am preparing breakfast. So let us start. Today I am preparing chitrana, that is lemon rice. So I am going to prepare and chop all the ingredients, everything like onions and all the dals and all these things for tempering. So this is what I'm going to do before starting. And I'm going to add capsicum. So this is a new ingredient. I mean, we usually add capsicum, but in this vlog, so I haven't shown yet. So this is new. So I'm going to chop capsicum and I'm going to add in that. I'll be showing that to you when I'm adding. So yeah, so how are you guys? How are you doing? How are things? How are summer holidays? And it is summer, so yes, so I'm giving voice to my vlog. So this is something new in my vlog today. Yeah, so I used to give voice to my other videos previously in my channel, but in vlog, yes, this is the first time. So please let me know how it is and how it will go. I'm not sure, but yeah, so let me know if you really want me to give my voice to the vlog. Usually this is my routine. I mean, cooking and cleaning. So this is what I am showing in the vlog and I will be showing in the vlog. Do let me know if you want me to, add something like, different, so that please let me know in the comment section so that, I can include that also. So yeah, so let us start. So here you can see I'm chopping onions here. I've already chopped one capsicum. So we are 5 in a family, so that's the reason I'm chopping one. You can include how many ever or required amount of onions and capsicum. Do ignore the background here. So yeah, this is the prep which I'm doing for my breakfast. So yes, as you can see, the chopping everything is done. So now let's start and temper. So here I've kept oil in the kadai for tempering, and side by side even milk for boil. uh, as you guys have seen, so many videos and my vlogs that I keep preparing coffee, and yes, I'm a coffee lover. I love coffee, and without coffee I cannot start my day. That is like fuel for me. And yes, so when I start the day I need a cup of coffee. So yes, so I've kept milk to boil, and now even I am tempering these things so that we can prepare lemon rice. So yeah. So here I am adding onions now. Let it soften a little bit, not too much, just a little bit, so that you get that crunch when you're having food. And after that, after it softens a little bit, I'm going to add capsicum too. And yes, so here goes the capsicum. So here I'm preparing coffee. Yes, coffee is for me and my husband and my niece. I told you that she came home yesterday. So yes, so I'm preparing for her also. She'll have a little bit. So yeah, this is my coffee preparation. So usually you can see in my vlogs that I prepare coffee and some morning drink, that is juice, and sometimes lemon water, sometimes green tea. Yes, I do take all these things, and whenever I need coffee, I need coffee. I cannot be without coffee. So yes. This is filter coffee which I'm preparing. So yes, coffee is ready now. So tempting and so relaxing, right? So yes, coffee is ready now. Let's I just sip and I do other work. So I don't drink piping hot coffee like others drink. No, I need just a little bit warm type. I don't drink cold also. Just a little bit warm. So that's how I drink my coffee. And here I'm adding coriander. It's done. Yeah, and then we'll add lemon, and then we'll mix it to rice. So here I'm actually um, putting rangoli. So I'm just taking that and I'm going out. So I'm just drawing rangoli outside. It's difficult to handle camera in one hand and draw rangoli in another hand. So yeah, this is how I manage. So you can see the beautiful view outside. Actually it rained the previous night, so that's the reason it is a little bit cool. Otherwise it is like too hot, and it is it is very difficult to survive without fan. And here I'm just drawing lines. prepared a cup of green tea and I'm taking it outside just to, stand out, look at the trees and people moving around. So yeah, and it was a little bit cool, as it was about to rain again. So I just wanted to stand there and drink a cup of green tea there, watching the nature. Yes, so this time it was raining after, I had a cup of green tea, and a few minutes later it started raining very heavily. And then, yeah, after the rain stopped, I just took this particular video, this clip, and you can see. Yes, so I'm just preparing bread and butter here, just for a little bit of munching. And yes, so please do let me know how you like this video. If you liked it, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Niruttama Putane. I hope you just got a sneak peek into my life in this video. So yes, thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, bye.